In a few weeks, I'm heading on an important trip to London. As an avid traveler who journeys for both work and leisure, I always aim to make the entire experience as seamless as possible. Choosing the right tech accessories is a key part of my travel planning. It's not just about packing light, though that's certainly important. It's about ensuring that the journey is smooth and stress free rather than frustrating. After careful consideration, I have narrowed down my list to 10 essential iPhone accessories that I will be taking with me to enhance my travel experience and stay productive on the go. The first item I'm packing is the Grams 28 pouch, a stylish and practical accessory made from premium Italian leather. Despite its compact design, this everyday carry pouch is surprisingly spacious, allowing me to carry several essentials without adding bulk. Inside, I can easily fit my iPhone, charging cable, cash, credit cards, keys, wallets, AirPods, passports, and other small items. It also features a convenient 25 strap, so I can wear it crossbody for easy access. When I don't want to wear it, the strap can be quickly removed and the pouch can be tucked away inside a backpack. I discovered this item a few months ago and it has been a staple in my travel bag ever since. The JSAUX USB Data Blockers. These handy devices protect you from juice jacking, a type of cyber theft where hackers can steal your data or install malware on your device when you plug into a compromised charging station. This small but powerful gadget can be a lifesaver when you need to charge your iPhone at an airport or a restaurant's charging port. It works by acting as a smart barrier between your USB cable and the charging port, ensuring that only power, not data, flows through. To use it, simply plug your data cable into the data blocker and then connect the blocker to the public charging port. One of the standout features of this data blocker is its support for 100-watt fast charging, so you won't have to sacrifice speed for security. Plus, you can grab a 4-pack for just $12.99. Links to this and all other products mentioned in this video are provided in the description below. One item I always have on hand is a USB flash drive, and this one by SanDisk is a game changer. It features both USB-C and USB-A connectors, making it versatile enough to use with my iPhone, iPad, and computer. This dual compatibility makes transferring large files between my devices a breeze while traveling. The flash drive I use has a 128 GB of storage, but it's available in capacities ranging from 32 GB to 1 TB with varying speeds to suit different needs. Carrying a fast USB-C cable for charging my iPhone is essential. For my upcoming trip, I'm bringing this UGreen USB-C to USB-C cable which supports up to 100 watts charging speeds, more than enough to quickly power up my iPhone. The cable that I have is 6.6 feet long, but you can choose from other sizes including 1.6 feet, 3.3 feet and 10 feet. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. A reliable charger is one of the most essential accessories for any trip. For this journey, I'm bringing the 65-watt 3-port GaN fast charger from UGreen. This versatile charger features two USB-C ports and a USB-A port, making it perfect for charging multiple devices simultaneously. The USB-C ports will easily handle my iPhone and iPad, while the USB-A port is great for powering up my Apple Watch and the Sony camera. The combination of USB-C and USB-A compatibility in one charger offers the flexibility I need while traveling. If you also need to charge a MacBook, I would recommend the 160-watt Nexort Pro charger, also by UGreen. This model offers an additional USB-C port and can fast charge your MacBook at up to 140 watts, making it a powerful option for those who need extra charging capability. You can grab the 65-watt charger for $55.99 from the link in the description of this video. Protecting your iPhone from all sides is crucial when traveling, and so is safely carrying your credit cards and ID. That's where the Mujo leather wallet case comes in. Crafted from premium European leather, this case for iPhone 15 Pro Max features an integrated wallet that can hold 2 to 3 cards. It offers all the essential protective features, including a 1mm raised leather bezel to shield the screen, a raised camera bump, and MagSafe compatibility. However, you will need to remove your cards from the back pocket to charge the device with MagSafe. Available in 4 color options, you can purchase it for $64 using the link given in the description of this video. For this trip, I will also be carrying a second case from CaseCo. The reason for bringing this additional case is its built-in kickstand, which will be incredibly handy for watching video content or making FaceTime calls during long layovers or at the hotel. This case provides a military-grade drop protection, making it perfect for air travel. It also features a magnetic ring stand, which offers a strong MagSafe connection with your accessories. Other features of this case include airbag cushions for extra durability, a shock-proof polycarbonate back, raised lips for the camera bump and screen, and a non-slip grip design. You can buy this case for any iPhone 15 model. For the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's priced at around $30. I always bring my Sony camera on trips, and having the ability to transfer photos directly from its SD card to my iPhone has been a game changer. It eliminates the step of transferring files to my MacBook first. The JSAUX USB-C card reader, which has 4 ports, allows me to connect SD card, micro SD card, USB-A and USB-C accessories to my iPhone all at once. This little device has significantly improved my workflow, enabling me to accomplish more in less time. It's available in white and black colors for $14.99 with the purchase link provided in the description. AirPods Pro is one of the most essential accessories that I carry everywhere, and this trip is no exception. Whether I'm listening to my favorite music or watching YouTube videos on the plane, the noise cancellation mode is a game changer. With its long battery life and compact size, the convenience it offers is unmatched by any other iPhone compatible headphones. And the fact that it lets you seamlessly switch between your iPhone, iPad and Mac makes using it even more fun. Last but certainly not the least is the accessory that has been a lifesaver in past trips and remains just as important today. Yes, I'm talking about the AirTag, the ultimate travel companion for iPhone users. This tiny gadget allows you to track your luggage, backpack and other items with ease. Managing the AirTag is super intuitive thanks to the Find My app, where you can view its current location, play a sound and perform other actions. You can purchase it for $24.99 using a link shared in the description of this video. So these are the iPhone 15 Pro Max accessories I will be taking with me on my upcoming trip. What do you think about my selection? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have watched this video all the way through, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting iPhone content.